College when he wrote kijim tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam te kidon kumba khadway Tylli e kam kibalait kibangan pentip hakane ka video konta kidon kikamikai bat kui we jatkam kibadon haki skul bat ki office bapher te kabaning kong negene kane ka we gade ka post LDA dengan pulia kerkom kane ka advertisement one LDA deficit pay at Mairang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School qualification they belong graduate with knowledge in computer and accounting. Date of submission of application on or before Lait jong benai besipo arjar apply. Mudba kandai Lait October arjar apply. Interview on 10/10/23 at 10:30 AM in the school. Secretary Managing Committee Mairang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Contact number Nai Sao Lai Nruwe Nru Arsan Rulai. Lane ini number Pranyo Sao Nai San Knai Nyon Nru. Itu bakwa ban apply nam ta kane post LDA ka bre Mairang kane ka deficit mo kane te phila ban late submit ki application ki jong phil ane phila nam ta ki jing tip bakham ne phila ban phone ro ikni number ki ai ne artali te ka last date kan dei lai tarik jong manai October arjar apply interview bede kan dei 10 tarik jong manai October arjar apply te la phi kwa ban apply te sa le ka ban kam kane pade sa artali kam post kam hikai ke balai hapo Sipsing Memorial Government High School Longston dan artali ki kam hikai assistant teacher kawai gade jong math science kawai gade jong assistant teacher in arts kini gade contractual ki long san khnai sngi but kin renew ep kat ba kampat penmi post hapo MPSC te kin renew be ep kat ba kampat penmi advertisement te jong assistant teacher in math and science kawai ka post pd long bachelor degree in relevant subject with B.Ed from recognized university. Assistant teacher in arts ru kamjuhi dan kawai post dan kam bachelor degree in relevant subject with B.Ed te ka B.Ed dan kambej la pidai BA jong kono ru mulai tama B.Ed dan kambej te na kam science pede dan kambej BSc PCM mar de jong kono ka B.Ed de mendon bej ti bakwa ban apply kan mau te namta kane phiaban submit di application ki jong phi interested applicant should apply in standard form phiab submit long ban standard form and submit to the office of the undersigned on or before 6/10/2023. Mudba ka last date kan day nriu tarik jong banai October arjar apply. Applicant are requested to mention contact number and email address in the application form. They can have submit at the office of the district school education officer DSEO kabaya West Khas Hill Nongston public submit hang tu ya ka form application form submit to email number contact number jong phi apa ka application form phi ya standard form. Tenam ta kane ka fix pay kan ai bai life 4000 sibanai nam ta ka science ru life 4000 ba nam ta jong ka arts ru de life 4000 te kitu ki ba don ka qualification ko na apply sakan mau last date ka de interview tarik jong na October submit ki form bade bile po office of the DSEO West Khas Hill Nongston kene bade Tylli ki post ki balat kene kre po Saint Mary's College hate ngan pli kom kene ka application invite application for 3 sanctioned posts of the post of assistant professor in the Department of Home Science with specialization one kade extension education 2 human development 3 composite home science / community science fulfilling UGC norms qualification belong BSc home science lane MSc home science 55% above with net / PhD age limit 32 years plus 5 years kemudian 37 years for STSC. All necessary document and NOC if employed should reach the college office latest by 9/10/2023 mudba latest by khandai tarik jom October arjar apply kitu buku amna apply kadon lai tali ki post kebre jong kini te kitu ki baron qualification select submit di ki application form jong pi pok office hal ane shuaga khandai tarik jom October arjar apply artali biang ki kam kinero de jong assistant professor Assistant Professor under government sanction post in Nong Talang College in Political Science and Economics in Artali Political Science with Economics. Kanero educational qualification belong 55%, 50% for SC/ST. In master degree, net PhD will be preferred. Age limit 32 years plus 5 long 37 years. As on 1/1/23, hard copies of application along with all testimonials must reach the college office on or before 17/10/2023. Kelas date kena kanyo tarik jom mulai Oktober arjar apply nam ta kena artali ki post kepada hapo Nong Talang College. Dan biang segini kena pada kepada hapo Shillong Commerce College. Application are invited from candidates having UGC qualification for the post of assistant professor in the Department of English sanction post kenero. Preference will be given to candidates who have passed NET, ELT/PhD. Age limit as per government orders. Number of posts nangkawai yang neru. Application will be received by the college office during office hour on or before 28 September 2023. Itu kebadan qualification select kebadan kam. Sakawai biang kene pada kabalat japo PGT College of Teachers Education Institution Vacants. Application invited for the post of lecturer in physical science in the College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong under NCE and UGCE norms and under the deficit grading rules of the government of Meghalaya. Eligibility criteria dibenlong master degree in physics, lane chemistry, lane filling UGC norms. Ki MSc physics but MSc chemistry kelak apply. Dibendon ya net, lane SLET, lane PhD in education or concerned subject as prescribed by UGC. MEd with minimum of 55% mark or MEd with specialization in elementary education with minimum of 55% mark. Dibendon ya MEd BR don kam, BR with methodology of teaching physical science. Number 5. Consistently good academic record. The state reservation policy will apply. All relevant documents should reach the college on or before 18 October 2023, late before 5 p.m. Persons who are already in service must attach the NOC from their employer. The last date is 18 October 2023. Kanepat kami kai school namtagi ba kena baret teacher required. Applications are required for the post of assistant teacher at non-government LP school qualification as per norms. Pay kadai deficit pay application should be submitted to the office of the secretary of the school on or before the 25 September. Kanela bakala hangne mo hangne la bakala te hajing isya ki mar ginak sang pelaj ka notice ar pusa arpsani di last date kan arp khnai tarik September arjar apply. Date of interview will be intimate later. Secretary of the school SMC phone number dai nhiều lai prawe khnai sao san rew sa phone ni number la dapi kwa banwat jing tip phang ka pus ka bre apo nongdhar non government LP school namta gi jing tip bakhamnia tangi nei gi jing tip te gitu ki badon lagi jong qualification gitu ki post ki balaj ki la ban apply namta gitu ki post nglada batai gi jing yade kumdo ban apply gitu pila ban apply gitu pila ban apply si college lene pila ban phone ki number ki ladap ai te katkum gitu ki jing batai ladap ai katkum ka advertisement tangi nei gi jing tip khule shuan